Hi, I'm Eric.
And I'm Connie.
We want to take the time today to talk to you about what you can expect when you engage with Budget Blinds to get an in-home consultation.
So you have some windows in your office or your home that you need covered. And maybe the project is too big for you or you lack the confidence to make decisions. We understand. There's a lot to think about. You want to think about the type of window treatments that you're looking for, the style, the color, how is this going to fit into my decor? You want to pick the best window treatment for your needs.
You give us a call, you email us, you set that consultation up, and you're kind of wondering, possibly, well, what's this going to be like? What is the process going to happen when we come to your home?
The process is fun and easy. So when we come out, we take a tour of the home or your business. We're going to be talking back and forth about what you want the window treatments to do, how you want them to work and function, what your needs may be, and your budget. We have a van that we bring full of samples and supplies, color, designs. We're going to be looking at all that, and we're also going to be taking measurements of the windows. With all of that information, we can make recommendations for the best window treatments based upon your needs. We really want you to make a solid decision.
Also realize that we provide, at the end of that, a professional installation with great installers, and we provide the best warranties for product and service in the industry.
You can be confident that you will be well taken care of from beginning to end. So don't delay. Book your free in-home design consultation today. Thank you for listening.